Guys, let's take a quick look here at Kadena. Now, Kadena, since August 5th, has been making, you can see higher lows, basically. You can see this was pretty much the low of a closing candle. So yeah, we are stair-stepping up. Now, it looks like this low was pretty much equal to this low. The only problem is we have this wick here. If I zoom in, you'll see this wick a little bit better. So we did wick down more than this little low over here, we can say. But I think basically on a closing candle basis, we're pretty much right on. We may be slightly lower. Now, I don't think that's a major problem, really. The next resistance, though, guys, we have to break is up here at 67.7 cents. That's on a daily basis. Once we break that, 87.3 cents is in the cards. And the next weekly resistance is up here at about $1.14, guys. So, yeah, Kadena looking a little bit better. Last couple days has been quite nice. We are starting to see, a little bit higher of a range here than we've been for most of the time since, well, basically the beginning of summer, guys. So we're starting to, come into the higher range here. So yeah, we'll see if we can get there, guys. Maybe there is a little bit of a resistance here. Let's see. We can see on the local time frame, local, basis here. It's about where we're running into right now. So you can see it did provide support here. There was a little bit of resistance here. There was a little bit of support here. A little bit of support there. Yeah, guys, there was a little bit of support here. So you can see resistance here. We did get resistance here. So maybe this is a good point to mark off another resistance. If I zoom in, you'll see that this does quite, fit this resistance level. So basically 55.5 we need to break probably before 67.7. Because yeah, we've identified another, resistance level basically and support. So yeah, I think Kadena will do fine, guys. I have about a medium-sized bag of Kadena myself. One of the founders of Kadena was in the Bitcoin white paper. So that's, good to know if you know that. So I think Kadena will be fine, guys. Now let's take a quick look at Bitcoin here. Let me enlarge this a little bit. Now, yesterday we had a nice green candle. We did take out a couple of resistance levels. We did get rejected by 63.1. However, we're working on that today. We have, come down basically since we have almost retested it. So you can see we almost made it up there, but I'd say that's close enough, guys. As I say in every video, these lines aren't 100% perfect. So anyways, we need to get up, break this resistance up here, the top line, top trend line basically of this bull flag. So that stands at about 64.7, let's say. And, basically right after that, you have this resistance up here at 64.7. So this area, if we were to meet that today, it's going to be a little bit tough to break. I think we will come up in the next week or so, though, and probably retest this, yellow, we can say, trend line from the top of the bull flag. Now, Bitcoin dominance, let's take a quick look at this. Since last night, it has come down just a little bit. I am a little bit surprised to see that it's so high. I know my altcoins have gone up quite a bit, but yeah, yesterday Bitcoin did go on a run here. But since then, it is cooling down a little bit, guys. So that's nice to see. Now, let's take a quick look at the economic calendar. Today, actually, or no, not today, tomorrow in China is CPI and PPI. So that's going to be a little bit important to watch. Now, I'll get into the rest of the week maybe tomorrow in a video or Monday, but we won't look at that right now. Now, the interest rate cuts, basically almost 90% still believe in a quarter point cut. 10% believe that there's not going to be a cut. Still far out, guys. I don't want to speculate right now on that. Now, fear and greed basically is sitting at about 49. Now, like I said, I thought we would come up quite a bit because we did have a nice, gain yesterday with this green candle, as you saw. So we went like $2,500, and today we're putting in another few $100s right now. So I do believe if we maintain another green candle here, we'll probably go over 50, probably I would say 52, 53. That's just, my guess, my speculation. Now, if you want to see if it's altcoin season, something is wrong with the altcoin season index. I tried to refresh it just now, and again, we're getting this error. And I don't know what's going on with their website, so we can't look at that right now. Now, crypto bubbles, it actually looks pretty good today across the board. Only a few projects are in the red. Like I said last night, Uniswap had a mega run the other day. So it's down 3.5% at the moment, which, I think it went up like, what was it, like, it was 10, 20%, something like this, 15%. I'm not 100% sure, I forgot. Doesn't really matter, guys. But yeah, it's cooling off. But that's basically the only red that you see here. So there is, okay, XRP up here is red a little bit, but slightly. Now, if you want to stake your Kadena, you just go to Coinando, type in KDA, and guys, you get a list here. I have mine actually staked in Bybit right now. I don't trust Gate.io. And then, the other platforms give too little. But Kadena, unfortunately, you don't get a lot of staking rewards for it. So this is pretty much all the choice that you have, guys. So anyways, if you like this video about Kadena, it's making a nice little push here on this resistance. So we are starting to get above this 55.5 resistance right now. So yeah, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot, guys.